How to treat varicose veins at home. 15 ways to combat varicose vein, based on materials from a website netbalesnin.ru. Varicose vein is a disorder of the superficial veins of the lower extremities in which the veins dilate and become irregular. Varicose veins are among the benign disorders and are more cosmetic problems than phlebitis, for example. How to treat varicose vein at home. Next we presented 15 ways that can help in the treatment of varicose veins. Okay. Method 1. Keep your legs as high as possible while resting. When resting, try to keep your feet as high as possible in relation to your heart. Method 2. Yoga. For a more mindful effect, you can try a simple yoga exercise. To do this, while sitting on your back near the wall, lift your legs up at 45 angle with the wall and hold them in this way for 3 minutes. Method 3. Horse chestnut. Horse chestnut is considered one of the most famous folk remedies for varicose veins. It improves the elasticity of the veins and strengthens their valves. Method 4. Centella asiatica. Centella asiatica has a significant strengthening effect on the blood vessels and connective tissue that surrounds them. Method 5. Lemon peel. When consuming citrus juices or tea, add well-washed lemon peel. The fact is that lemon peel contains a very important flavonoid, rutin, which prevents bleeding from capillary blood vessels. Method 6. Vitamin C and flavonoids. It turns out that it has a role to play in strengthening the connective tissue around the veins in the legs. It makes them stronger and more elastic. Method 7. Proanthocyanidins. Flavonoids proanthocyanidins are considered an important traditional medicine for varicose vein. They are characterized by a strengthening effect on the blood vessel, reducing the likelihood of bleeding. Method 8. Contrast shower. A good folk method of dealing with varicose veins is a contrast shower. The fact that the blood vessels react to change in water temperature by contracting in cold water and expanding in warm water. Method 9. Elastic stockings. Women with minimal leg varicose vein feel better if they wear elastic stockings. They put pressure on the legs to reduce swelling in the legs. These stockings can be purchased at pharmacies and stores. Method 10. Compression stockings. For large varicose vein, compression stockings may be needed. They are narrower at the bottom of the ankles and wider on the top of the legs. These stockings exert the greatest pressure on the lower part of the legs, and to the top it decreases in order not to restrict blood flow to the heart. Method 11. Active lifestyle. Avoid staying in one place for a long time, whether you are sitting or standing. Prolonged stay in one place, sitting on a chair or standing on your feet, leads to accumulation of blood in the legs. Method 12. Do not keep your legs crossed. When sitting on a chair, it is strictly forbidden to keep your legs crossed. By keeping one leg on other, creates additional unwanted pressure on the legs and limits the rise of blood through the veins. Method 15. Foot massage. A light foot massage stimulates blood circulation. For this, the muscles of the legs are massaged with 2 fingers, just not the veins, making movements from the heels to the hips. Method 14. Compresses with oak bark tea. In place of varicose veins, put compresses with oak bark tea, which stimulates blood circulation. Oak bark can be replaced with witch hazel. Method 15. Avoid constipation. Constipation blocks blood circulation and increases blood pressure in the legs. A diet rich in fiber can partially alleviate this problem. Thank you for your attention. This material was prepared by editor of a website netbolezny.ru. This video is provided for informational purposes only. Before using any methods and meals, it is recommended to consult a doctor.